Creating a 3D animated story for kids without spending any money is an engaging and rewarding task that requires creativity, patience, and a willingness to experiment with free tools and resources. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or an aspiring animator, this guide will help you embark on your journey to create entertaining content for young audiences. Step 1. Plan your story before you dive into the animation process. It's crucial to have a clear idea of your storyline. Whether it's a fantasy adventure, a tale of friendship, or a whimsical exploration, sketching out the plot will help direct the animation process. Define your characters, their motivations, and the key message or moral of the story. Step 2. Design characters and scenes. Designing the characters and environments involves creativity and resourcefulness. You can use free 3D modeling software like Blender, which offers comprehensive tools to create intricate character designs and rich landscapes. You'll find countless tutorials online that can help you master the basics of 3D modeling, rigging, and texturing. Step 3. Utilize free animation software besides Blender. There are other free programs like K, 3D, or Pencil 2D for simpler animations. Blender, however, is particularly powerful for 3D animations. You can animate characters using its intuitive tools and apply various effects to enhance the storytelling. YouTube is a great platform to discover tutorials on animating characters, crafting realistic movements, and even adding voiceovers. Step 4. Add audio and music. Sound plays a crucial role in adding emotion and depth to your story. You can record voiceovers, use free sound effects libraries like Freesound, and find free music through sites like Incompetech. Audacity is a valuable free tool to edit and mix audio tracks, ensuring your sound aligns with the visuals. Step 5. Edit and compile. Once you've animated your scenes and added audio elements, the final step is editing. Software such as OpenShot or Shotcut can be useful for compiling your project, applying transitions, and exporting the final video in your desired format. Step 6. Share and get feedback after completing your 3D animated story. Share it with friends, family, or online communities dedicated to animation and storytelling. Websites like Vimeo and YouTube allow you to upload your content easily. Subscribe for more videos and tips.